Hey everybody, it's Randy, the king of solar screens. I'm having a little fun today hanging on my door. I wanted to show you the difference between the 70, the 80, the 90, and I believe the 85 is something we might start stocking. But let's go ahead and take a view. Up here at the top left, this is a 70% solar screen. To its right, the 80%. Below it and to the right is the new potential 85%. And then of course our classic 90. As you can see, your clarity is phenomenal with all four. But it's obvious that it gets better with 85. I would say equally as good with 80. But that 70 is literally invisible, especially when you step back a few feet. I like that. So if you have one of those windows that maybe you feel like you need a nice clear view, I think that 70 solar would be phenomenal because it's still going to help cut down on your UVs, the heat, of course, pests, insects, things like that, they'll stay out. That 80, of course, I love preaching it. Keep all of the natural light, just keep the heat and UVs outside. 90, same thing, goodbye heat, UVs, but we lose about half the light. This is the reason why Veronica and I decided, what if we got something right in the middle? 85. Why not? What do you guys think about that? Should this be something we start selling coast to coast? I think so, but you let us know what you think. That was an easy video. I love that. I didn't even get to go, woo! Well, I did it anyway. The king of solar screens. Like us, follow us, let me know. Which one do you like best?